Hello kiddies, today we're in Esperance. We're off to look at beaches and a full-scale replica of Stonehenge. We stayed at the showgrounds, which was $40 a night for an unpowered site, because all the accommodation in Esperance was fully booked and it was pretty expensive anyway. I think the most expensive I saw there was $80 a night in a caravan park, which I thought was pretty rich. So for $40 a night, the council's making $3 or $4 grand a night. But you do get showers and toilets and somewhere to do the dishes, but nowhere to cook, and it's all unpowered. Not sure if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but hey, there was accommodation. Let's hope you enjoy today's video. Now, because the beaches were nice and windy in Esperance, you're going to find that there's lots of music and not too much talking. Some of you will love it. Others of you, well, you just love the sound of my voice, don't you? But anyway, we're on the drive to Stonehenge. Here comes another dirt road. Thought we were over them, but there's a few more left to go this trip. Let's hope you all have a good time looking at Stonehenge. I was amazed by how good it was. Want to go see the real thing. So today we found a thing called Esperance Stonehenge. Now this is a full-size replica of the original Stonehenge, and it's built how it should have been back in the day rather than when it was destroyed. So you can see it's still got the tops on it. Well, this is the time we started to question whether we should follow the GPS. It told us to go down here on the way to the lookout to go to some beach. Well, we no longer trust the GPS. Them and its dirt roads, we've had about enough of them. So we'll turn around and go back onto a bitumen road, shall we? Esperance, Rotary Lookout. Check out that view. We're going to go down and look at some of those beaches. Doesn't that look good? And then you view the whole town. And it's quite a bit longer than you think. It is a lot longer than you think. So way over there is the jetty. So we're going to walk along all that beachfront tomorrow. But I didn't realise it was such a little cove. And it goes, so the National Park Hackler Grand is up there. It's got some amazing stuff. It's got quite a few little islands. So Lookout is definitely worth one to come and look at, because There's us over there. Look, you get to see the top of my van. It's probably a bit disgusting up there. It's a lot better than it used to be. I reckon there's room for another solar panel up there. Absolutely amazing. Esperance has the most amazing coastal drive along all of the beaches. Every corner you go round shows yet another beautiful beach. This was just one of the best days to have a look at high beach scenes. Not necessarily to walk on the beaches, but to look at the views. This place was amazing. Found Mum where we just had to walk down those little stairs. Go for a walk along the beach now, me and my mate. Look at that. Oh, probably easier over there. Oh, look at all those caravans. It must be busy over there. Whoops. Man, that wave came a long way. This is us for a couple of hours wandering the beach. Beautiful. There he goes. A little PT trainer. Oh, that's a bit better. I'd been around this corner, around the other side of those rocks. Man, it was windy. Look at that though. Look at that, beautiful. That's like Fijian or something like that coloured water, isn't it? All the way around. You can definitely find a beach to yourself if you want in Esperance. It's just amazing. Look at my co-pilot waiting for me. Co-pilot! Look at that. Is that not the most gorgeous thing you've ever seen? So we've hit another beach, but I don't think we'll be going down all those stairs to that lookout. But how beautiful is that? We'll go see what's up the top. Well, good morning kiddies. Today we're starting an olive drive, but look at these beautiful rocks. That's not so pretty. But this goes on as far as the eye can see, this walkway. Jasper is coming for a wander. Off you go, buddy. He's off. It's all about Jasper this morning.